Hello everyone, good day to all. I welcome all Mario kids to today's online live classes. I'm Pushpashri, faculty of Button But Tutorials. I'll be handling mathematics. So while Mario kids, in the last session, we had discussed about the syllabus pattern of 8th standard CBSE mathematics and what are the chapters will be there, everything that we had discussed in detail. So today I'll be starting with your new chapter, one of the chapter which is there in mathematics. So if you have missed the last session, please go through the description box and watch the previous class that what we had discussed about the syllabus. Fine, come let's start today's class. Today's class is all about the square and square root. So today we'll be starting the new chapter that is square and square roots. So come let's start. Square and square root. So square and square root is the chapter that we'll be starting for this. So you people will be having an idea about what is square, what is square root. So in one or the other way, you people will be come across these words square, square root, and also the cube and cube roots. Cube and cube roots is there. That is the separate chapter you have for that. So in this particular chapter, we'll be knowing what is square and how we will get to know it is a square and what is the difference between the square and the square root and what do you mean by the square root, how we are going to write the square root. So everything we are going to discuss in this chapter, that is square and square root. So before going to the square and square root, let us know what is square. Say for example, so square. So the main thing comes to our mind as soon as we say square is this is diagram. Correct? This is the square that we are going to get into our mind as soon as anybody say that it is a square. So what is the formula for square? Side into side. We usually tell, right? Square is equal to side into side, or sometimes we may tell A into A. Correct. So, and also the one more thing comes to our mind. Square is nothing but power of 2. A small 2 that you are going to write on upside of the number on the right hand side corner. So this is also called as square. So then what is square exactly? Say for example, I have one number. So we don't know which is the number, or say for example, the number is 2. Okay, I have one number with me and the number is 2. When the number is multiplied by the same number, that means this number has been multiplied with the same number. When a number is multiplied with the same number, you're going to get one number. Correct? That is nothing but the square of the number. So this one can also be written as 2 square because 2 is there twice. So if it was 3 times, on that time you would have called it as cube. So since it is 2 times, we are going to write it as 2 square. So here this is what we are going to call it as number, and this is called, we are going to call it as square number. Square number, and there is a difference between the square root and the square number. Okay, so 2 is called as number, 4 is called as square number, and this is called as 2 to the power of 2. So this is called as the power of 2. Correct? So when they give you like this, expand 2 square, or say for example 8 square, what we will do? 8 into 8. When a number is multiplied with the same number, so 8 square, if it was 7 square, 7 only 2 times we would have written. So since it is the 8, so only 8 we are taking. 8 8s are 64. And here 8 is the number, 64 is the square number. So this is how we are going to define the square as well as the square number. So in square number we have properties. So we have perfect square, imperfect square. So we are going to learn that in detail in upcoming things. So first we'll just know about the square meaning. So square is equal to, you can copy down along with me, square, square. So you can take down this. When a number is when a number is when a number is multiplied by itself. When a number is multiplied by itself, comma, and continue the question, the number thus obtained, the number thus the number thus obtained the number thus obtained is called square of the is called square of the is called square of the given numbers. So this is the meaning of square. Say for example, I'll write the example over here only. Example, 2 square is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4 is your answer. See, again I'm going to explain you. So when a number is multiplied by itself, so there is one number and this number is multiplied by itself, okay, the number thus obtained is called, when a number is multiplied by itself, you are going to obtain one number, and what is that number here? That is 4. The number thus obtained is called square of the given numbers. The number thus obtained is called the square of the given numbers. That means 4 is the square of 2. So this is how we are going to analyze. Okay. See here, when a number is multiplied by itself, the number thus obtained is called square of the given numbers. By this example only you can understand the meaning and you can tell the meaning by your own. Got this? And one more thing here. Examples, still more example if you want to give. Say for example, 4 square. 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. Or 3 square. 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. So this is how we are going to define the square. So you can copy down the meaning of square. Copy down the meaning of square now. Okay, hope you all copied the meaning of square. So now we'll just move on to the squares of the numbers. So see students, when you are solving the problem, you have to be thorough with the square numbers of 1 to 20. So when you are thorough with that, you can mug up or you can remember whatever you want you can do. But it should be thorough. People should be thorough with that. So once you are thorough with those numbers or those squares and all, it will be easy for you to solve the problems. Come, let's see what is that square and numbers. So let it be the numbers over here. Numbers, square numbers. Numbers and square numbers. You can make a 2 column over here. So the number will be 1. The number will be 1. The square numbers of 1. 1 ones are 1. So let us start with the 2 ones. So numbers will be, say for example, 1 square. 1 square. So square numbers, you are going to multiply the same number. That is 1 into 1. 1 ones is how much? 1 only. So 1 square will be your number and 1 will be your square number. Fine. So in the same way, 2 square. 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Got it? So in the same way, 3 square. So in the same way, I am writing 3 square, that is 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. So now 4 square. 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. Next 5 square. 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. And then 6. 6 6 are 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. And then now it is 7 square. 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49. 8 eights are 64. So in the same way 9 square. So 9 into 9. 9 nines are 81. So in the same way 10 square. 10 into 10. 10 tens are 100. Got this? So now you can see the numbers are 1. For 1, the square number is 1 only. That is 1 into 1 is equal to 1. And the number is 2. And the square number for 2 is 4. That is 2 into 2. Actually, you should not write this. Just for your understanding, I am writing over here, okay? 2 square. So, for the number 2, the square number is 4 because 2 into 2. And the number is 3 and the square number for 3 is 9. And the number is 4 and the square number of 4 is 16. And the number is 5, the square number for 5 is 25. The number is 6, the square number for 6 is 36. The number is 7, the square number is 49. And the number is 8, square number is 64. The number is 9 and the square number is 81. And the number is 10, the square number is 100. So this is from 1 to 100. So now if I move on for till from 11 to till 20, the same thing continues here. I'll be continuing over here. Again, the numbers and here the square numbers. Sn, I'll just write it in short form as Sn, okay. So 10 is completed. So now I'll start with 11. 11 square is equal to 121. That is 11 into 11. You can check here. 11 into 11. 11 ones are 1. 11 ones are 1. And whatever that we had carried out. 11 plus 1 is 12. So 121. Fine. So now next if I move on to 12. In the same time you can move on. 12 square is equal to 144. 13 square is equal to 169. So in the same way continue till 20. 14 square, 15 square, 16 square, 17 square, 18 square, 19 square and 28 square. So now 14 square is equal to 196, 256, 225, 256, 3, 289, 324, 361, 400. So these are the square numbers. So same way 11th, for the number 11 the square number is 121. For the number 12 the square number is 144. For the number 13 it is 169 and for the number 14 it is 196. For the number 15 the square number is 225. For the number 16 the square number is 256. For the number 17 this is square, okay, don't get confused, it is square. For the 17 square it is 289. For the 18 square it is 324 and for the 19 square it is 361 and for the 20 square it is 400. So it is compulsory for you to know from 1 to 20. So when you are thorough with this 1 to 20, it is easy for you to solve the problems based on this square numbers. So now you can copy down this square numbers from 1 to 20. Okay, copy down this. Okay, well, you have copied down, hope you all copied down this. So what happens sometimes in your questions, how they are going to ask you. So what are the square numbers for 16 and 36? They might give you the question like this. What you have to do on that time? So when they ask you what is the square number, what are the square numbers for 5 and 6, on that time you have to write for the square numbers for 5 is 25 and for 6 is 36. But when they ask you what are the numbers for the square numbers 169 and 196, on that time what we have to do? They are asking the square numbers. Your question will be see, find the numbers for the square numbers just the square numbers to 361 and 324. So this will be your questions. Your questions will be like this sometimes. What you have to do on that time? So they're asking find the numbers. Okay, they're asking you to find the numbers, where you have to find the numbers for the square numbers. They have already given you the square numbers. By having the base of the square numbers, you have to find the numbers. What are the numbers? 361 and 324. What is the corresponding number that you have for both? And for 361, the number is it is 19, correct? For 361 it is 19 only, and for 324 the number is 18. So this is how you need to write the solution when they ask you the questions. Okay, so instead of this they might ask you, oh, like find the square numbers for 14 and 15. So when they ask you like this, what is the square numbers for 14 and 15? You have to write that. For 14 it is 196 and for 15 it is 225. So this is how you need to know about the square numbers and the numbers. So you have to be thorough here only, because when we want the square roots, so people should not get confused over here. Okay. So let me recall from the square and the numbers again. See here, square, when a number is multiplied by itself, I have one number and that number will be multiplied by the same number, that is 2 into 2. On that time my answer will be 4. The number thus obtained is called square of the given number. So when a number is multiplied by the same number, the number that you are going to get is called as the square of whatever the numbers that they have given you. Here what is the number that they have given you? 2 is the number. So in the same way, 4. So when a number is multiplied by the same number itself, the number thus obtained is called the square of the given number. Fine with this. And we also studied about the numbers as well as the square numbers. So 1 square is equal to 1 into 1. In the same way till 20. 20 into 20. So number starts with the 1 and end with 400. Okay. So you can copy down this with the whole things. Okay, fine. Hope you all copied this. And one more thing in this particular problem that this particular thing that you can observe, the square of the even numbers will be always even, and the square of the odd numbers will always be odd. So here you already know what do you mean by even number and what do you mean by odd number. So even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, these are the even numbers. We'll just concentrate only till 1 to 10 now. So the even numbers, the square of the even numbers will always be even. See here, the even number and the square of this even number is always even. It is also 4 is also even number, right? And here 4. So 4 4s are 16. Since 4 is an even number, the square of the even number is always an even. So 6 6 are 36. The square of the even number is always an even. And in the same way, if you say it for 8, 8 is also the even number, and even 10 is also the even number. 64 and 100 is also an even number. So ma'am, what about the odd number then? See here, odd number 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So these are the odd numbers, correct? And these are the even numbers. The square of the odd number will always be odd. How? See here, 1 ones are 1, 3 threes are 9. 3 is also an odd number, 9 is also an odd number. In the same way, if I go with 5, 5 is an odd number. 5 fives are 25. 5 is an odd number again. And if I go with 7, 7 sevens are 49. 7 is an odd number, 49 is also an odd number. And if I go with 9, 9 nines are 81 and both the numbers are odd numbers. So easily we can tell that the square of and the square of the odd numbers are always odd. Not only with the same, here also you can see. So odd number and the square number is also odd. Even number, the square number is also even. Odd number, here also it is odd and it is even. This is odd, this is even, this is odd, even, odd and even. So this is how we need to analyze which is the odd number and which is the even number. So this is one of the important thing that you have to know. So when you are solving the problems. So you can copy down this point. The square of an, copy down this, the square of an odd number, the square of an odd number is always odd. Fine. And then one more point, the square of an even number, the square of an even number is always even. Copy down this. See here, the square of an odd number is always odd and the square of an even number is always even. If you want, you can write the example of this, that is 2, 4 are the even numbers and the square for this even number is also an even, and for the odd number you can take 1 and 3 are the odd numbers and the squares of the odd numbers are 1 and 9, and this is the odd numbers squares is also always an odd. Copy down that point.